Do you feel called to transform your passion for mindful art into a thriving profession? Perhaps you're already teaching or facilitating and want to deepen your practice and boost your confidence. Or maybe you're looking for more support, accountability, and practical tools like frameworks or cheat sheets that will help you create your own workshops, retreats, or offerings, where you can transition from feeling overwhelmed and uncertain to being inspired and supported. Our certified teacher training and coaching program is created just for you, tailored for creatives, art journalers, art therapists, yoga and meditation teachers, MBSR and mindfulness practitioners, soul collage facilitators, and anyone with the heart to share therapeutic mindful art or journaling in the world. In this program, you'll discover our unique exercises and proven facilitator frameworks, making it simpler to craft your unique offerings with less stress and more ease. You'll become part of our supportive community through live calls, practice teaching sessions with constructive feedback to refine your skills and boost your confidence. You'll experience the power of accountability with like-minded peers who share your passion. And studies have shown that we're 65% more likely to reach our goals with accountability and 95% more likely when you have a specific accountability partner or coach. You'll receive personalized coaching from me, which could save you years of trial and error and literally throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping it sticks. Like many of you, therapeutic mindful art and journaling have been transformative in my life. I've now trained hundreds of people worldwide to share mindful art. I want to share this before closing. This program is more than a training, it's a transformation. Your dream to teach or facilitate therapeutic mindful art is both valid and vital. Join us and turn your passion into a meaningful purpose. Read below for full program details and to join us.